cold steel on my lip, heartbeat in my fist. I say this is it. Gun clicks, nothing. Bathroom light buzzing, sink stain red. Old text open, her face in my head. Half smoke pack on the floor by my shoe. One in the chamber but it still won't shoot. I pull just a hollow little tick in my hand, like the whole world jammed, like she reached through the air and twisted every spring inside the metal I stare at. I curse at the ceiling while you keep me here. Fog on the glass, then a voice in my ear. You ain't done yet, boy, you still mine. And the barrel feels heavy but it won't cross the line. Click, misfire, I want it bang. Every time I'm ready, some yanks the chain. Think I'm leaving just to roll to you, but you keep killing every shot I shoot. Click, misfire, stuck in this frame. You in the mirror keep saying my name. If this the way that I get to your love, then why the trigger never spilling my blood? Whole week blurred, same scene, same stance. Same cheap gun, same dead romance. Knuckles white, praying for a blackout fade, but it's all reruns in a tighter cage. I clean it, rack it, line it with my eye. Practice, might go by like an alibi. Raise it to my temple, taste that fear. Finger gets heavy, then she reappears. She in the chrome, in the spot on the wall, in the tap drip rhythm of the bathroom stall. Baby breathe, she say, you ain't built for the fall. But I'm tired of surviving just to lose it all. I spit in my ghost, you ain't even real. But her tears run down the mirror like they made of steel. She laughs, if you love me like you always claim, then you gon' have to finish, gotta feel that flame. Click, misfire, on it bang. Every time I'm ready, something yanks the chain. Think I'm leaving just to run to you, but you keep killing every shot I shoot. Click, misfire, stuck in this frame. You in the mirror keep saying my name. If this the way that I get to your love, then why the trigger never spilling my blood? Lights off now, only glass and breath. Her outline moving in the dark like death. She closer in the mirror than she ever was alive. Whisper in my ear, you ready for the drive? I raised the gun, but it ain't at me. Aim at the glass where her eyes set free. Safety off, hand shaking like a prayer. I'm staring at her stare, she just standing there, come get me. She torn, you talk too much, so I grit my teeth, say I'm done with the crutch. Squeeze, gun finally roars through the smoke and the dust. Mirror explodes, turns her face into rust. Shards on the tile, little diamonds of pain. A body in the glass now soaked in my veins. Brain goes blank, just static and red. Single thought screaming, put it to your head. Shards on the floor, one piece left whole. A smile in the corner, still cutting my soul. I snatch it up quick, press it to my brow. Cold barrel kissing where the glass is now. Breathe in, breathe out. Baby, here I come, it's the final shout. Metal to my skin, finger finds that vein. Pull it one last time and bang!